Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Chandran, and this is I'm going to talk about my fifth lab of the day. As you can see here, this is all about the application of um, of connecting with Firebase. So this is the app I've designed. Follow the code right there. I've changed my Dennis my friend app, and this is the text view. You can pause right there and take a look. All the way text view, progress bar, all that, button. This is the main activity. For the activity register user, and here is the activity register user in code. So you can see here for the registration for the users, all that. You can pause right there to have a look. I'm going to see the design. And here's the design. The design for the user register user. So we're going to see here's the user, the register user. Based on the video I have done, I follow this in the video as well as the main activity here. So far there is no issues. I correct the problem by put some commas and some brackets, all that. Here's the full name and the text. They use tools if else and then tools, then Firebase database. I've connected from here, from the authentication. I've already enabled using my email. So now I'm going to click run and see how it works. Okay, so I've already launched the app. So when I click register, it will bounce like that. So for example, I put I put then Fodor. Yeah. Okay, just hold on. Okay, it says here failed to register. Okay, once I register user, it will come out my username and my user UDID. So that consider is working. Now I can try logging from here. Okay, now so I try to log in. Just need to load for a while. Supposedly it will be identified from here. So there's no problem. So just the prototype here and then here. So no issue. So this is how I did, following from the video that Sir gave. So thank you very much.